In renovation, one thing drains your time and profit daily. Measuring a 100 square meters apartment takes an hour the old way. But the real time sink comes after, from measuring to CAD drafting. Takes half a day, even a whole day. Now, we are revolutionizing efficiency. St. Bird Renovation proudly launches iMeasure 3D measurement system. Single operator, full scene coverage with errors under 2 centimeters. A whole house scan takes just 15 minutes to capture all high-precision point cloud data. But the real revolution isn't the measuring. It's the AI floor plan factory. Upload point cloud data with one click. After AI recognition and human verification, within 2 hours, high-quality CAD drawings are sent from the cloud. Designers stop wasting time on structural layouts, fully unleashing productivity. From rough manual measuring to precise digital capture, it eliminates inaccuracies, missed spots, and errors. A perfect 1:1 replica of the site. For future remodeling or add-ons. No return visits are needed. One site visit is all it takes. While others still use tape measures and sketch, taking half a day or a full day. From measuring to CAD, we use digital measurement to get standard cloud-generated CAD in 2 hours, producing full space data efficiently. Empowered by tech, we digitize the entire renovation process. St. Bird iMeasure 3D Smart Measurement System. An AI floor plan factory, using digitalization to automate the journey from measurement to CAD for the first time.